This is a rather ill-posed question, but it has to do with the New Hadron Accelerator in Europe. I read something in the New York Times website, and I've got this mixed up, of course, but something about it possibly creating an anomaly in space-time that will go back and prevent it from working now in the present. And I'd appreciate if somebody would expatiate on that.
The question is, can the Large Hadron Collider be dangerous, and in particular, can it cause a black hole? They've done multiple calculations, all of which show that it would be very, very, well, difficult is the wrong term. It would contradict our understanding of the universe for that to happen. For one thing, when we do the calculations straight out, it says, no, the Large Hadron Collider should not create a black hole. For another thing, when we do the calculations straight out, it says if we did create black holes, they'd evaporate immediately. For another thing, the Large Hadron Collider isn't very powerful compared to cosmic rays that are striking Earth all the time. If the power of the Large Hadron Collider was enough to destroy the world should have been destroyed a long time ago. And there's sort of all these finicky little details where they're still sort of chasing down, is there any sort of conceivable way you could argue that this presents a danger, like it's got a head-on collision between two particles of equal masses, which wouldn't happen in a cosmic ray collision? But the basic answer is no way, and we know that for multiple different reasons. It's sort of the people who run the Large Hadron Collider really don't want to be shut down, and in that sense it's sort of worrying the question of what if they made an error in their calculations somewhere. But in this particular case, in general we might have a sort of problem with that sort of thing, but in this particular case it looks like it's just really, really unspeakably difficult for the Large Hadron Collider to possibly be harmful.